All right, this is the shooting Jason with my Nerf gun question. All right, so there's a lot of stuff going on here. In this problem, it looks like I have 2 darts in my Nerf gun out of the 6 places for Nerf darts. So my probability of success, we're assuming that I would just hit him every time that there's a dart in my gun. So imagine I'm at point blank range. So my probability of success, since is 2 out of 6, which of course reduces down to 1/3. Therefore, my probability of failure is going to be 2/3, right? Because my probability of success, my probability of failure have to add up to 1. Okay. I'm also going to shoot a total of 4 times, and I only want to be successful once. So my success is going to be 1. My number of successes is 1. Therefore, my number of failures is going to be 3. And we're talking about hitting him exactly so many times. So this is this formula that we had. We've talked about this one lots of times. So that's S plus F, choose S. So your total number of trials. Your total number of trials, choose your number of successes, times your probability of success to the number of successes, times your probability of failure to the number of failures. All right, so this little formula will give us the exact probability, or the probability of this happening this exact amount of times. So my total number of shots is 4. Choose 1. My probability of success, like we said, is 1/3, and I want that to happen just 1 time. My probability of failure is 2/3, and I want that to happen 3 times. And so from here, I could pretty much just go to the calculator. If you want, go ahead and plug this right in the calculator. I'm going to kind of show you how to do this without a calculator. For choose 1, remember that anything choose 1 is itself. So this first number is just 4. And 1/3 to the 1 power, that's just 1. So if we kind of think about this, I would kind of think of this as one big fraction. So really I have like 1 to the 1 times 2 to the 3rd over 3 to the 1 times 3 to the 3rd. And if you think of it like that, you could actually just put the 4 right on top. So this is really like 4. We don't really have to worry about the 1 times 2 to the 3rd over, and since these are both the same base, this is 3 to the 1 and 3 to the 3rd. That's kind of like 3 to the 4th. Okay, I'm going to come over here just so I have a little bit more space. So 2 to the 3rd is 8. So 4 times 8 over 3 to the 4th. Well, what is 3 to the 4th? That's kind of one that you want to have memorized, but it's the same thing. Let me just kind of play with it with you for a little bit in case you don't just see it. 3 to the 4th, well, that's the same thing as 3 squared. And 3 squared is 9, so this is like 9 squared, so it's 81. So 81. And 4 times 8 is 32, so you get 32 out of 81, and that's that. All right. See you guys on the next video.